Okay, so we're going to look at KORG KIEV here. This is an iPad app which is all part of Gadget. And with this, we're going to be able to show a little bit of vector synthesis. So we have this instrument. I can play notes on the keyboard. And in the middle, we have our vector area. You can hear how it's changing through the 4 different sources here. So essentially the middle is just a mixer for A, B, C, and D. A is over here on the side, and B is this 5th sine wave. And then we have a synth lead, and then some other preset down here for D. So just some random things going on here, but the morpher lets us go between them. Now we also have these sidebars here, the A, B, and C, and D, with a speed knob that lets us essentially create something similar to an LFO for this, as it modulates back and forth between A and B. And then C and D. So such a simple concept here. Not a lot to this. We do have a filter and some effects, but the main thing that we have is this oscillator morpher, which lets us go between the different sounds here. And that's really it. I mean, that's such a simple concept, but used in this way, you can create some amazing sounds. So often it just depends on the actual sound sources you have for the A, B, C, and D. And once you have something in those places that are interesting, then the morpher, or this vector area, is what allows you to have such interesting things going on. So that's just a brief look at the KORG KIEV, showing you how the vector morpher area works.